Hope Hospice has been a nonprofit organization in New Braunfels for 35 years. We seek to educate families that hospice is not just for people in the last days of their life. Being a nonprofit allows Hope Hospice to provide care to patients and families that's very flexible and individual to wherever they call home. We come in and we make sure that the patient is taken care of from a physical, emotional, and spiritual standpoint. Should a patient or family need specialized care, there is nothing that stops us from making the decision at a local level to provide the care that they need at the moment that they need it. We give you the pros and cons of every decision that the family makes so that the patient has the best experience possible. There are several misconceptions about hospice care that are out there. One that we deal with the most is that hospice is only for the last days of life, and that's absolutely not true. What we like to see hospice do is to come in and build trust and a relationship with the family early enough so that it makes the entire journey on hospice much easier for the family. Our job is to make sure that we're focusing on what do they hope for today so that we can help them meet the goals that they want for the time that they have left. Palliative care is focused on symptoms, but it's also focused on quality. Patients do live a better quality of life on hospice. We want you to visit your family. We want to figure out ways for you to meet your goals. And with that, improves their quality of life because no longer are they focusing on surviving, but they're focusing on living. With hospice, we're not there just to treat the disease. We're there to treat the family. We're there to treat your emotional and spiritual side. It's the one area of medicine that goes in and looks at the entire holistic picture of what's going on with the patient and family. At Hope Hospice, we partner with the family and the patient to develop the goals for their care, especially when it comes to pain management. Our staff is going to come in and they're going to ask, do you have the meds that you need? Let's pull them out. Let's look at them. Let's talk about what might be coming up so that we can anticipate whatever the family might be experiencing in the upcoming weekend or weeks. And we want that to happen without the family having to really worry about it. We provide durable medical equipment for our patients. And what you will find is whenever you need the equipment to take care of your loved one, such as a hospital bed, a walker, or a wheelchair, we will get it to your home that day. There's also a misconception with hospice that the only people that are on hospice are elderly. And unfortunately, that's not always true. We have a grief center that is connected to our campus downtown, and we do private counseling for anybody in the community that has suffered from a loss. We also have a children's camp that we do once a year, and we also do a family camp. Hope Hospice has provided a loving embrace on a difficult journey to patients and families in our community for over 35 years.